YIJIA Industry and Trade Company Limited is a modern enterprise specializing in door manufacturing. YIJIA has established 3 specialized production bases in Yongkang and Wuyi, covering 60,000 square meters with more than 500 employees and over 10 advanced production lines. Our annual capacity exceeds 1 million doors. Through continuous innovation and development, YIJIA Doors has successively become a regional advanced taxpayer enterprise and one of the top 100 taxpayers, as one of China's top 10 door brands. China famous brand, the national consumer satisfactory brand, contract honoring and credit keeping enterprise, among many other honors. YIJIA is also a member of the National Fire Protection Association, has obtained more than 50 mandatory fire door certification certificates issued by the Fire Product Certification Center of the Ministry of Public Security, along with multiple national patents. YIJIA has been deeply engaged in door manufacturing for 20 years, offering a full range of products, including security doors, solid wood composite doors, interior doors, copper doors, with over 20 sales subsidiaries, 1,200 exclusive stores, and more than 3,000 sales outlets nationwide. YIJIA provides comprehensive services across the entire industry chain, from engineering services and end-user sales to custom-made solutions, by integrating online and offline channels through a new retail model. In the international market, since YIJIA began its global expansion in 2005, has achieved remarkable success through 15 years of relentless effort and dedication. YIJIA products are now sold in dozens of countries and regions, including the USA, the UK, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Africa. Risen to the top of the high-end door market in Eastern Europe, leading in both market share and annual sales. Establishing itself as a frontrunner in China's export-oriented door industry. Since its founding, YIJIA has remained dedicated to door manufacturing, integrating advanced domestic and international technologies. From design to craftsmanship, YIJIA has established a unique style, upholding quality and precision through lean production and strict process control. As an industry leader, YIJIA prioritizes product excellence, ensuring every consumer trust and brand reputation. Investment goes into delivering superior doors that enhance reputations. YIJIA invests every penny into product excellence, letting quality speak for itself. By strengthening brand trust and market presence, YIJIA enhances consumer through superior products and strategic live-streamed launches. In 2021, YIJIA initiated the 3-5 strategy, prioritizing customer needs, safety, and noise reduction. With a global vision and unwavering dedication, YIJIA strives to become the world's #1 security door brand, and bringing YIJIA into every home and every family. YIJIA in China, one home for the world.